first few hours we're going to do a little bit of training down the track. We're going to know how we place our bodies and our front wheels, our back wheels, and
by the way, do you know how to do a wheelie?
Yeah, I'll show you later. But first, before we ride and all that, we're going to go do a nice little running lap around the track.
Running?
Yeah. Gonna get warmed up.
With these boots?
Yeah. And we're gonna go with our helmets on. Point it in. Knee level's too high. Now check. When he moves, now push into the tank. When he moves, his body moves and then the bike stays with him, so he's got more control.
So far it's been a good day. They all seem very enthusiastic and excited about it. They're all very impressed with Dylan's riding, which helps a lot when he jumps and whips and wheelies and does endos. So it gives them something that they want to try themselves and learn. And so far they're getting along with the basic skills and the basics of riding a bike, which is clutch control, balance, position on the bike, and there's been some definite improvement for the kids. So they've got somebody in front of them doing these things, and it's good to see, and the excitement is good.
When you hit the jump, you guys must be looking up, not down.
What do you think of Dylan and the way he trains the youngsters?
Very good, and he's a brilliant rider, so they can only get better if they follow him and do what he does.
Dylan taught me how to ride, how to stand on a motorbike, and he taught me how to run.
Jen, how was your day?
It was fun.
Fun. Day's been good. The guys they've improved a lot. They got a nice flow going around the track. They got more control. When they first came, they just wanted to go for it, not really get the basics. But now that they've got the basics, they're riding so much better, and they got so much control now. So it's so nice to see how they've improved.